Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a short bit of code which will help us get our desktop path. So before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that and helping this channel. Okay, so we're going to import, first of all, use Win32. Okay, if you don't have this module on, you better import it through cpan. Okay, now I'm going to create a subroutine called get desktop path. That's the first subroutine there. So I'm going to create a scalar here. So I'm going to call it desktop path. Very clear variable name that, so it's going to be equal to Win32 get folder path. Okay, Win32 CSIDL, that's going to be desktop. Okay, and now once we've got the path, we're going to print it out to the user. That's simply going to be scalar desktop path. New line there. Okay, now all we have to do is call the subroutine get desktop path. Okay, save it. And there you go, it's got my desktop path here. Okay, so there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and as always, I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.